back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm G, and today you can tell by the title I'm super excited. I have a unboxing. It is a Louis Vuitton unboxing, my first one on my channel. Yes, I'm super happy. I've had this package for like 2 days and I've not touched it because I've been waiting to unbox it with you guys. So yes, let's just jump into it. I'm so hyped. So I have the entire box and everything, and I did not open, as you can see, I just opened the box just now. I have not seen what was inside. So we'll start off with this little envelope, which I'm pretty sure is the receipt. Yes, it is. Everything. I wrote myself a note. I wonder if it's in here. I'm not even going to say what I wrote myself because it's super cheesy, but yes, it was something cute. So I'm just like building the suspense. Like, it is in a little box. It is a pull string, and no, it didn't come with the ribbon attached. The ribbon is actually right here. So yeah, I ordered this from the online site. This is straight from louisvuitton.com. So it comes with this little thing. I don't even know what is in here. What is this? It's a little small envelope. It's nothing. It's a blank piece of paper. Maybe if this was a gift or something, you could write on this. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what this is. Interesting. So that is what came in there. And then, without further ado, it is in this cute like velvet dust bag. So I ended up getting the Louise hoop earrings. Oh my God. Yes, these are so nice. So it has the code on there. Hope you guys can see that. It has the code on there, and these are like really gold. Oh my God. So they are, like I said, the Louise hoops in gold. They have the LV, and this feels hollow, like the hoop feels hollow, but the actual LV is solid. No, these are not real gold. They are not, but I did so much research. I looked at so many videos, so many reviews, and everyone said that these like really stand the test of time. Like, they do not tarnish like after a couple of uses. Like, they are like really good quality. So that is why I kind of bit the bullet and got them, because I love wearing hoops. Like, I'm not wearing any earrings today. Well, I have one of these little studs, but I had my first hole is empty because I wanted to put these on for today. Like, I wear hoops all the time, and I knew that I would get like good use out of them. So yeah, that is why I went ahead and purchased these, and they were available on the site. So I was like, let me go ahead and grab them, because I don't know how much longer they're going to be available. I don't know if they're going to do like a price increase, like, and who has time to pay like over $1,000 for these, and they're not even real gold. Like, I don't. So I went ahead and got them now. It's like a little treat to myself. So yes, these are super cute. So let me give you the details. So they are gold color metal, and they are embossed LV circle. That is really all that it says. Refined metal is enhanced by a gold color finish. Yeah, so they are LV hoops. Let me see, is there a certain way I should wear these? Let's see, I'm gonna try them on. And they are not really light, but they're not really heavy either. So I mean, if you're used to wearing hoops, then you should be okay. Like, yeah, these aren't anything crazy. They aren't anything crazy at all. So if you're afraid that they'll be super heavy, you shouldn't even worry, because they really aren't. They're not light. Like, they have some like a substantial weight to them. Like, they don't feel cheap, but they're not like dragging. Ooh. Yes, I love these. They are so cute. Let me give you like a little close up. So yes, I just wanted to come on and do like a quick unboxing of my new goodies, the Louise hoop earrings. Yeah, so I think I'll come back and do maybe like a 6-month review or something, just so you can see how it wears and tears. But yes, I am in love. Like, these are really, 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 really cute. They are the perfect size too, because I don't want them to be too small, and they're not like gigantic, but they just make just enough statement. Oh yes, like, oh, I'm so in love. These are so, so cute. Great just choice. I don't have any buyer's remorse. Like, these are just everything. Like, I'm so happy. So, 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 so happy. Yes. So yes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, all of my designer videos have been doing good. I'll link some of them or one of them right here. But yes, like, check those out. Yeah, I've been coming with like different types of content. I'm just trying to still fill out what I want to do and the type of videos I like to record. But makeup and luxury is just something that I'm just super into. So I'm going to always kind of like make content around that, because that's what I'm into. So if you like that, please make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. Like and comment this video, and yeah, see you on my next video.